Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to recover Payoneer account without a phone number or security questions. Sometimes when trying to log into your account, you might realize that you no longer have access to the phone number linked to the account, or you may have forgotten the answers to your security questions. This can make it seem almost impossible to get back into your account, especially if those were the main recovery options you originally set up. But don't worry, there are still other ways you can recover access to your account. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the alternative recovery process, including how to verify your identity and contact support if necessary. I'll show you where to navigate on the website, what information you might need to provide, and the steps you can follow to regain control of your account. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of how to start the recovery process and increase your chances of getting your account back quickly. So let's get started. First thing is first, we will search up pioneer.custhelp. Then we will click the first link, which will Yale us to Payoneer's official customer support center. Next, we will scroll down and click Customer Assistance at the Help column, which takes us to a new tab, where we are going to scroll down until we find Web Form, then click the link that it provided us, which will take us to the tab where we can file a complaint. We can live chat, send message, or call them. After clicking the one we are comfortable with, we will fill out the required information with clear and in details. Then click Submit, which is in blue. And also, we can go to their official social media accounts and ask them there. And that's it. As you can see, even if you don't have access to your phone number or you can't remember your security questions, there are still ways to start the account recovery process. The most important thing is to carefully follow the steps and provide the correct information so the platform can verify your identity. Taking a few minutes to go through the recovery options can help you regain access to your account without too much trouble. Hopefully this guide made the process clearer and helped you understand what to do if you ever face this situation. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.